Hi students, welcome to our channel MathLogic. In this video, we will be discussing about what are irrational numbers and the definition and how to prove a number as irrational one, what are conjugates, and we will be solving problems involving conjugate. So what is an irrational number? So before that, first we will see what is a rational number. Rational number, no? What is a rational number? A number which consists of integers and which can be written in the form of, for example, x over y, where y is not equal to 0 and x, y are integers. So this is the definition of a rational number. A number which can be expressed in the form of x over y in a simple fraction where y is not equal to 0, that is denominator is not equal to 0 and x and y are integers. So what is an irrational number? It's a very simple definition. Irrational number, no, which is not a rational number, which is not a rational number. So please remember this definition, what is a rational number and what is an irrational number, because we will be using this definition. First we will write this definition and prove that a number is not a rational one or it is a irrational one. For example, we will say previous question that says prove that 5 plus 2 root 7 is an irrational number. Rational number. For 10th class board exam, this question invariably appears, so try to practice more and more of this problem and see how to prove. First, you will know proof of contradiction. We will use proof of contradiction. What is proof of contradiction? We'll say, let's say 5 plus 2 root 7 is a rational number. When a number is a rational number, we can say, already discussed now by definition, 5 plus 2 root 7 can be written in the form of x over y, where y is not equal to 0 and x and y are integers. So when this is so, this implies 2 root 7 is equals x over y minus 5, which is equal to x minus 5y by y. Or we'll say root 7 equals x minus 5y over 2y. We know this is a rational number. X and y are integers. Therefore, this part is a rational number. We know root 7 is not a rational number. Therefore, the equation is false. Equation or the proof is no proof set is false. What does it mean? It means that 5 plus 2 root 7 is a rational number is false. Therefore, 5 plus 2 root 7 is an irrational number. That's why I say the definition is very useful. You have to write the definition and then only prove it for getting full marks. Then now let's discuss about conjugate. For example, I will give you same example. Will take 5 plus 2 root 7 and 5 minus 2 root 7. What the similarities? Except the sign, the plus and the minus sign, all are identical. These are all called conjugate. For example, 5 plus 2 root 7 is for 5 plus 2 root 7, 5 minus 2 root 7 is a conjugate. One problem we will solve using the conjugate. How to simplify it? See, this is also taken from previous question. Solve like 1 by or 1 over 5 plus 2 root 7 plus 1 over 5 minus 2 root 7. How to solve this? Whenever you have a irrational number in the denominator, rationalize the denominator. How to rationalize the denominator? By multiplying it with its conjugate. Therefore, 1 over 5 plus 2 root 7 can be written as into 5 minus 2 root 7 multiplied by 5 minus root 7 over 5 minus 2 root 7. So because this is no answer 5 minus 2 root 7 multiplying dividing by the same number, it will not change the value of the number, which gives us 5 minus 2 root 7 by or over, and this is what? So in the form of x plus y into x minus y, which is equal to x square minus y square. Hope you remember this identity. So it is equal to 5 square minus 2 root 7 square, which gives us 5 minus 2 root 7 by 25 minus 4 7 28, which gives us 5 minus 2 root 7 over minus 3. Now let's try to simplify the other irrational number 1 over 5 minus 2 root 7. Again we will multiply and divide by its conjugate, 5 plus 2 root 7 over 5 plus 2 root 7. So similarly we get 5 plus 2 root 7 over same thing minus 3. If we add easily now we can add. So apply minus 2 root 7 plus 5 plus 2 root 7 over minus 3. These 2 roots 7 get cancelled, we get 10 by 10 over minus 3 is the answer. Hope you would have now understood how to deal with conjugates and what is a conjugate, how to deal with the conjugate, and what is a irrational number, what is the definition of irrational number, and how to prove a number as an irrational number using the proof of contradiction. So this question invariably appears in all 10th class board exams. So please prepare and practice. So always try to rationalize the denominator whenever the irrational number is in the denominator. So that's the thumb rule. So practice more and more questions. If any doubt, please comment and we'll be ready to come to your rescue and we'll solve. Whatever problem you want, I will just post it and we'll solve. So best wishes students. Take care. Have a nice day.